In today's rapidly evolving healthcare landscape, technology plays a pivotal role in delivering efficient and effective patient care. Healthcare IT professionals bridge the gap between medical expertise and technological advancements, ensuring seamless operations, secure data management, and enhanced patient experiences. If you're considering a career in healthcare IT, it's essential to equip yourself with a range of skills that will help you excel in this dynamic field. In this video, we'll explore the key skills you need for a rewarding career in healthcare IT. 1. Technical proficiency. A solid foundation in technical skills is the cornerstone of any career in healthcare IT. Familiarity with programming languages, database management, and networking protocols is crucial. Proficiency in software development, cybersecurity practices, and understanding electronic health records (EHR) systems is vital for maintaining the security and integrity of patient data. 2. Healthcare knowledge. While technical skills are important, having a deep understanding of healthcare operations, medical terminology, and clinical workflows is equally essential. This knowledge will enable you to develop IT solutions that align with the unique needs and challenges faced by healthcare professionals. A solid grasp of regulatory frameworks, such as HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, ensures that you can maintain patient privacy and compliance. 3. Problem solving and critical thinking. Healthcare IT professionals often encounter complex challenges that require innovative solutions. Being able to analyze issues, think critically, and devise creative approaches to problem solving is a skill that can set you apart. Whether it's optimizing workflow processes or troubleshooting technical glitches, your ability to think on your feet will be highly valued. 4. Communication. Effective communication is paramount in healthcare IT. You'll need to interact with diverse stakeholders, including medical professionals, administrators, and technical teams. The ability to translate technical jargon into understandable terms for non-technical staff is crucial for seamless collaboration and project success. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your health career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.